I was just asked on the Handyman Pros radio show. Look it up. I'll connect it to this video because I just did an interview with them that's going to be airing on May 1st, 2023. All right. So what do you do about rusty knives? Because our knives do rust. And sometimes if I'm not going to be using these for a long time, I'll spray them with some WD and I'll put them in a nice place. But most of the time, they just rust. So he asked me, what do you do about rusty knives? I said, well, if you find out, let me know. How do you stop them from rusting? But what I do is I'll dip them a little bit and I'll scrape the rust off just like this, right? And they're clean enough. They're clean enough now. They might leave a little rust on the walls, but then if I got a helper or an apprentice around, I just wipe it on their pants or on their back, and it's good. So that's all I'll do. I'll just dip it. You can see the stuff falling off. And now once I start to use these, they'll be just fine. Hey, if you really like my videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like them, please just share them with somebody else. How do you like my new t-shirts? And you know, you also might want to check out these other videos that are playing right down here right now. So just click on them. All right, subscribe. Have a great day.